Hi guys, how are you guys doing? So I went to the grocery store. Actually, I just realized that, man, it's been so long I vlogged. You guys see my hand? I burnt myself a few days ago. I was trying to grill some fish in the oven. But that's by the way. So I went to the grocery store and I just realized how long it has been that I vlogged outside. You guys should have told me, Amara, all your vlogs are inside. Like, I was so shy to even vlog, you know. It felt so strange, and I was thinking about it. I'm like, when was the last time I actually vlogged out? Like, you know, grocery store, shopping. And I'm like, it's been so long. And I think because too, now that I drive, I pretty much just hop into this grocery store, pick one or two things that I need, and I'm out. It's been such a long time I last did like heavy shopping for groceries, but I'm going to show you guys the things that I got quickly. First of all, I went to the African store. You guys already saw that. Like, if you're in Canada, you can pretty much get most of those things that we have in Nigeria, but man, you just have to be ready to spend. And some gave me Maggi. I'm so happy, so I'm going to be cooking. Let me show you guys the things I got from the African store. I also try and give you guys an estimate of what these things cost, just for the purpose of people that are not here that really want to get into that. I went to the African store, I went to Superstore, then I went to Dollarama. I got noodles. Oh yeah. I got noodles. I normally don't even buy noodles. Like, this is the third carton of noodles I'm buying since I came here. Okay, I wouldn't buy noodles normally because it's not just, I won't say it's not my thing, but I just don't even think of eating noodles because I always have food to eat. But since I started this work, this xoxo man work, sometimes I come back, there's no food and I can't eat. So noodles is always going to rescue me. So I got it. I also got, how much? This is it. I got it for $26.99, and I got this pepper. This is like our normal pepper. This is habanero pepper, right? I got this pepper for $6. Like, you guys see how the size is? It's this size. So yeah, we still have some, but I just don't go to the African store all the time. So whenever I go, I always pick it up. And I got chicken. These are like hard chicken, okay? This chicken is very hard, and is my own type of chicken. Like, I don't really buy chicken from Superstore. I don't think I've ever bought chicken from Superstore because those chicken, they're always so soft. It's not my vibe. So I bought two. I think I have two. The last time I went to the African store, I got two. So I just said, okay, let me buy this one. They will be helpful. How much did I get? The two of them, I bought them for $11. Okay. Yep. Is that all I bought from the African store? Yeah. Oh, okay. And I got red oil from the African store as well. You guys, yeah. I don't know how much did I get the red oil for. The red oil almost $18, $17.99. So those are the things that I got from the African store. And then I decided to go to Superstore because I needed to pick a couple of things too. These days I'm loving grilled fish with plantain, although I didn't even find plantain there. That was how I got this car, when I was grilling fish. So I like this tilapia one. This tilapia. So I got it from the Superstore. It's like 3-in-1. So let me see how much I got it for. I got it for $8.99, so $9 technically. And now I got my vegetable. You guys, I buy this vegetable every week. I buy it every week because I'm beginning to eat lots of vegetables right now. I'm taking vegetables to lunch, you know, for work. And these ones are selling for less than 30. Like, there's 30% discount on them just because, like, maybe they are getting bad. It's not even getting bad per se, but you know how these people are. See how fresh it's still looking now. But maybe they feel like it's been past a couple of days that it should have been sold out, so they'll just reduce the price. So this is another way you can save money by getting things that are on discount. So I really love this thing. I buy this particular one, or the green one that I showed you guys when I was in the store. So yeah, I love it. And what else did I get? I got bell pepper, this green one. There's no need to tell you guys the amount, but this thing, the amount is weird because like almost $2. Yeah, $2.74 for one bell pepper. I need it for, I want to make, this weekend I'm going to be cooking a lot. I want to make soup, okay? And I want to make fried rice. Not fried rice, jollof. You see, anytime I turn on this camera and I'm hungry, nothing I say makes sense to me. So I wonder how people understand it. So I want to make coconut rice rather. I also bought this set of bell peppers. Okay. Yeah, $4.97. So yeah, And then I got this one. I got just few tomatoes because I noticed that anytime I buy tomatoes in bulk, they always spoil because I end up not really using them. Everything was around $2.69. Okay, then what else did I buy from Superstore? Yeah, I got this coconut milk. I want to make coconut rice like I already told you guys. So I saw a couple of them, but I decided to get this one. Just felt good. I don't know, the other ones were just too thick. Okay, two of them I got them for $2.58. Okay, I'll quickly show you guys the things I got from Dollarama because I was like, okay, let me go to Dollarama because they are in the same mall space. Is that what it is? They're in the same space. So I was like, okay, let me go to Dollarama and pick some things. Because sometimes when I'm at work, I just want to snack on something. And I have it on my list that I'm going to pick some tea biscuits from Dollarama. So I'm a fan of tea biscuits. Any tea biscuits, I love it, okay? And I bought this one. I think Choma used to buy this one. So I've tasted it and I liked it. So I got it. I didn't want to get my usual one because I'm like, let me try something new. I also got this one. I haven't tried it before. But I felt like, okay, let's try this one. Let's try something new. Yep. Then I also got this groundnut. This is my groundnut, like this thing. I'm sorry, like I don't miss Nigerian groundnut because of this. I love it. So I bought them because I want to have them keep them in my office. So, you know, I can snack on things when, you know, I need to. You guys, I'm super tired. I'm super exhausted. I just purposely wanted to take you guys out today. That was why I took you guys to the stores, because if not, it took me like two times the time that I would have used to shop because I was trying to capture vlogs and capture clips for you guys. Today is Thursday, by the way, so let's get those things today because tomorrow is Friday. I have to, what am I doing tomorrow? I'm going to work. Then after work, I have a class, right? So it's been a very busy time for me. Today when I finished from work, I hopped into a meeting. I don't know if I mentioned I'm still doing my research assistant job. Okay, I'm still doing it. So I had a research like team meeting today that I had to do. So yeah, I quickly had to do that. It's just been so eventful. So I'm so happy that I was able to go for grocery shopping because on Saturday I won't have time. I'm working. Once I come back, I want to be able to sleep a bit on Saturday. Then Sunday is mostly my content day after church. I film content and I have a lot of videos to film on Sunday.
Courtesy call to make sure that you know. I was always jealous of the fact that he survived who you are now.
Oh yeah.
So you know, missing, so you linger over my baby all day. Don't wanna chase him no more. Think I'm done chasing no more. I just want your body on the floor. Arch your lower back, yeah, real so sad. Don't wanna chase him no more. Think I'm done chasing no more. I just want your body on the floor. Arch your lower back, yeah, real so sad. So goddamn fine. Never seen your type in my whole life. Nah, how am I supposed to go on and survive? Without the one who made me feel so right, just feel so light. Need to talk to your maker. God took a time on you, that's real love. Everywhere that you go, need a paper. Boss up on you niggas, gon' speak up. Real one, conference table with a feeder. I feel with you, let me test your beta. Under candlelight dinner, can I reserve you? Let me know, temptation really killing me. Don't wanna chase him no more. Think I'm done chasing no more. I just want your body on the floor. Arch your lower back, yeah, real so sad. I don't wanna chase him no more. Think I'm done chasing no more. I just want your body on the floor. Arch your lower back, yeah, real so sad. How you fit in those jeans? I don't even know. You got me so intrigued with a friend of mine. Genuine body. See you do Pilates. Surf off to Kauai, baby, come here, surf off, keep it going. You the one I wanted from the jump.